I'm here at Navarre Beach, right next to the pavilion where families and students have been working to plant sea oats throughout the morning. It's called a day for the dunes. It's a time for volunteers, mostly students, to get together, clean the beaches, and plant important sea oats that protect the environment. Organizer and conservationist Fabien Cousteau says the sea oats act as a barrier for storms.
That the ocean is our life support system, and we need to treat it as such. How best to do that? Well, you need to keep it clean and you need to keep it healthy. And so by planting sea oats, by cleaning up the garbage, we can start towards that path.
A lot of students from the area took the time out of their day to plant and clean. They also educated younger kids about beach conservation.
Our club's kind of mission is help spread awareness for protection of the ocean creatures, protection of the dunes, just like reaching out to the public.
Well, I've been learning how important it is to preserve and protect the sea oats and how important it is to make sure our ocean is still here for generations to come.
Organizers say they hope to do this event again in the near future. On Navarre Beach, I'm Bryant Clerkley, WKRG News 5.